Hey guys, this is an original JBS video that was never released, so sit back, watch and enjoy. Update. Sanya, adrenaline's fucked. Someone else's adrenaline that I'm repairing using my adrenaline. And Sanya has just broke down on me now. I've made a full exhaust system by myself with a Simwolf 250 header, Toyota Yaris mid-pipe, VFR 750 coupler and Bandit 6 exhaust. It's got the stump pegs from the other bike on it. Re-welded that bracket, for a peg bracket on. DIY made a smaller carry rack, as you can tell, but it's actually for wheelies, using spanners as the supports on either side. You see the other spanner through there. And it's got these clocks, this headlight, YBR forks, YBR front wheel, YBR brakes. Now, as you can tell, it looks kind of low to the floor, doesn't it? That's because the frame seems a bit curvy there, doesn't it? And you can see right there, I've been running no front engine mount because it's in my bag, needs drilling to fit, and the frame snapped and this bit of the frame is bent. Banter. Fucking drag bike how long it is though. It's made it well long. Lol. So the two videos, well, the next video you're about to see is actually different to the first video you've just seen because as you can see in this photo here, I actually went and collected a new frame from Eastleigh and rode it back on the snapped frame because, you know, who doesn't just ride a snapped frame about? Piece of piss, mate. I rode it all the way from Shoalin to Eastleigh with a snapped frame just to grab that. And I was daily in it still with that snapped frame until I fixed it all. So, you know, pretty crazy. But here you go. I won't waste your time for any longer. Let's get into the next clip. Not perfect. There's still a few things, well, a lot of things that need to be done. Like, for example, it needs a wheel bolt, a swing arm bolt. I need to put the seat on properly, put the tank on properly, put the clocks on properly. But after that, it should be near enough there, you know? But one good thing is that it runs. 1 second. Running. Need to make an exhaust as well. Sick. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, give it a subscribe, give it a comment, let me know what you think down below. Now this video was actually recorded in 2018, I believe. I think it was early 2018, thinking somewhere like, I don't know, like, oh, I think I got that bike 2018 August, so that's when it was. And today is actually the 17th of the 8th, 2020. So the 17th of August 2020, it was about a year ago. Actually no, I got the bike on the 11th of August, no, the 8th of August last year, so yeah, that's when I got the bike. So this video is literally about 2 years ago now. And it was just never released. I literally found it on my Google Photos the other day. So just thought I'd share it with you guys. So hope you enjoyed. See you guys in the next one. Peace.